As industrial connectivity continues to evolve, Mauser and Weidmuller work together to help drive innovation across today's automation landscape.
We're excited to show customers that come into our booth our products are future ready. Our robot over here will place the terminal block on the DIN rail, it'll strip the wire, it'll place the wire inside the terminal block, so that's the future. Our snap-in technology is across our terminal block line. That's what we're known for, but we've moved it to our automation products from power supplies, remote I/O. There's so much work going on from electric utilities, automation, data centers. The workforce is just not available to do that physical electrical wiring. So we speed up that wiring with our snap-in technology. It reduces wiring time by 75%. I'll repeat that, by 75%. When the customers experience that snap-in excitement, they hear it, they see it, and they get excited about it because they see the value of how efficient the snap-in technology is. Well, Mauser's a great partner. We've been with them for about 5 years now. Their reach is global. Almost any electrical engineer, electronic engineer has Mauser.com saved as a favorite on the website. So if they need any product, whatever it is, electrical, automation, an enclosure, they'll go to Mauser.com and they can find it right away, get the specs that they need, and then they can have it shipped within 24 hours or 48 hours. So that's what's unique about Weidmuller and Mauser. It's the people that make the difference. In this busy electrical world needs this technology, and we're bringing it to the market today.